Hello and welcome to Relyence training on getting started with Relyence Failure Direct Connect. Relyence Failure Direct Connect is a unique way to integrate your FMEA and FRACAS failure information. It enables visibility from within FRACAS into your FMEA data for connecting failure information already cataloged in the FMEA. Additionally, if new failure data is discovered during the FRACAS process, that information can be relayed back to the FMEA team for evaluation and follow-up. Relyence Failure Direct Connect enables you to fully manage and control your failure information across the product lifecycle. This is the third video in a 3-video series about Relyence Failure Direct Connect, where the focus is on using Failure Direct Connect in Relyence FMEA. We are working here in Relyence FMEA with the drone example analysis open. It is assumed that you are familiar with Relyence FMEA. If you are new to Relyence FMEA or need a refresher, please review the Getting Started with Relyence FMEA Help topic or Relyence FMEA Overview video. In the Using Failure Direct Connect in Relyence FRACAS video, a FMEA data add request was made using the Failure Data widget. The FMEA component of the Relyence Failure Direct Connect feature allows FMEA team members to review items that were added by the FRACAS team. Recall that we added the DFMEA Failure Data widget for this example, so make sure DFMEA is selected. And from the toolbar, here in the DFMEA worksheet, click Insert and FRACAS Failure Data. The FRACAS Failure Data dialog appears. The dialog displays requests for new data additions to FMEA made by the FRACAS team. In this case, we can see the one new failure mode that was added via FRACAS. All new failure information requested for addition by the FRACAS team appears highlighted in yellow. FRACAS incident data related to the newly requested addition is also shown for informational purposes. If you review the add request and determine that it is already covered in the FMEA, you can navigate to the appropriate location in the FMEA worksheet and click Connect. This would connect the appropriate FMEA data to the FRACAS record and update the FMEA data accordingly in the Failure Data widget within FRACAS. From our review of the DFMEA, we can see that this failure mode was not covered, so we need to add it to the FMEA. It is important to add it in the correct location in our worksheet. When using Failure Direct Connect, data is added to the FMEA worksheet at the currently active location. So at this point, the quadcopter drone should be selected in the analysis tree. If you are not at the appropriate location to add this data, you can select the checkbox for the item in the table, and then click the Go To button to navigate to it, or you can also use the hyperlinks that appear in the FRACAS failure data table. These would also navigate you to the correct location. Because the FRACAS team did not select a function for this failure mode, we can choose the function in the worksheet to add this new failure mode to. In this case, the first function provides convenient flying, aerial surveillance, and video recording functionality and experience, is where we want to add this new mode. If we had wanted to add it to the second function, we would simply select that function in the FMEA worksheet so it would be the active location. So with our analysis tree item and function selected correctly, to add the new failure mode, we select our checkbox here, and then we click the Add button. The new failure mode appears in the FMEA worksheet, and we can proceed to evaluate this failure and decide what recommended actions to take. Note that by making this addition to the FMEA through the FRACAS failure data dialog, the FMEA data will automatically be linked to the FRACAS data via the failure data widget. And for now, we can click Close to close the FRACAS failure data dialog. This concludes this Using Failure Direct Connect in Relyence FMEA tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please visit our website or contact us with any questions or to obtain pricing and purchasing information.